Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ninjatrader account. First, you'll need to select a compatible futures broker. Next, complete their online application with your personal and financial details. Once approved, you'll fund your account, and then you'll be ready to download the Ninjatrader platform and begin trading. It's a straightforward process, and will guide you through each step to get you started quickly and efficiently. The first crucial step is choosing a futures broker that integrates seamlessly with Ninjatrader. After selecting your broker, you'll proceed to their online application. This involves providing your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. You'll also need to disclose financial information and your trading experience. Carefully review all terms and conditions before submitting your application. Once your application is approved, it's time to fund your account. Most brokers allow you to link a bank account for electronic transfers, which is a common method. For larger deposits, you might consider a wire transfer. It's important to ensure your funds have fully cleared before you can begin trading. Be sure to check the minimum deposit requirements, which can often be around $400. After submitting your application and funding your account, you'll await final approval from your broker. Once approved, you can download and install the Ninjatrader platform onto your computer. Use your new account credentials to log in. With your platform set up and funded account, you're now ready to explore the markets and place your very first trade with confidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.